Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create an order in the Shopify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the orders button at the bottom of the page, and then click on the create order button. So first you have to select the products that you want to sell. So choose a product from here. I don't have any, but you can upload it from here, and then add a costume item. So give your item a name, like, I don't know, jacket, and then set a price, for example, like 2000 forints. Set the quantity, like how many do you want to sell, and you can set if you want to apply charges, or you want to charge taxes, and if it requires shipping. And then if you're ready, just click on done, and then add a customer. So you can add customers to this if you want to. You can set the market. So if you want to sell it only within your country, then it's Hungary for me. You can add a discount if you want to, and with the shipping and taxes, it's going to be 10,000 forints, but you can take down the taxes if you want to, and yeah, so you can set if the payment is due later and set it when it's due. You can add further tags, like the quality and what it's made of, and something like that. So if you're ready, just click on the save button, and then basically your draft order is created. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.